This 2025 Winnebago Revel 44 EAWD is a Class B RV. It is located in Millstone Township, New Jersey, 08535 and is offered for sale by Colonial Airstream RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 19 feet 7 inches in length and features a stealth, gray interior, sleeps 3, LP detector, water heater, awning, smoke detector, external shower, spare tire kit, auxiliary battery, refrigerator, stovetop burner, carbon monoxide detector, and 35 gallons fresh water capacity. This 2025 Winnebago Revel 44 EAWD is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 2500 chassis and is powered by a Mercedes-Benz engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.